Hey YouTube, so guys, there was a pretty cool 3DS Super Smash Bros. Demo event going on in Japan right now. Actually, this event's going on right now, and during this event, not only can you play Super Smash Bros. 3DS, but Nintendo also revealed some new information about the game. So this was kind of like a promotional image showed for the event. There's a few other images they showcase. While I show you the images, I will also tell you some new information that was leaked during the event. So let's begin here. Here's the first screenshot. I'm not going to describe the screenshots, but one thing you should know in advance, guys, is every screenshot is epic. So yeah, there we go. So I'm going to start reading you guys the information here. So basically, there is no Masked DeDeDe in the game. Diddy Kong only gets one banana. Captain Falcon's uppercut side B move. It does not, no longer, guys, unfortunately, no longer, it does not do any more strike damage, unfortunately. Samus has a gray alternate costume. Charizard can be purple, yellow, and gray. Megaman could be yellow if you want. No Metal Sonic skin, unfortunately. Marth has orange skin. You can, guys, are basically a costume for Marth. It could be orange if you want. And for Link, guys, there's going to be the Fierce Deity Link costume. So the famous Fierce Deity Link from Majora's Mask will be coming into this game, guys. The rest of the information that was revealed is considered to be spoilers. So because of that information, I'm not going to really I'm not going to mention the other facts here because I don't want to spoil the game for myself or for you guys. So this was all the information that was leaked that was not really in any way spoiler. You know what I'm saying? So guys, really hope you enjoyed this video. So thank you and bye.